Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustansar Yaqub and I'm English language and IELTS trainer. Today I would like to discuss about IELTS writing task 2, that is writing an essay of 250 words in 40 minutes. It seems quite difficult task to the students, and yes it is, because you have to write your very own language. You don't have any assistance there. So you are going to write down your own thoughts, ideas, opinions, suggestions, as well as your experience in words. I would like to suggest you, before starting an essay, you must make a proper plan and never ever start writing an essay without the planning. So the very first thing is to analyze the question or the task. The topic which is given in the test, you have to look at it and analyze it, that which kind of topic is this. I mean, maybe that topic is related to something that you agree or disagree to some extent, or it can be that you discuss both views, or you can talk about the advantages and the disadvantages, or you can talk about the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. So these kinds of topics usually come in IELTS. So you have to look at the topic and analyze it, which kind of topic is this or the task, and look deeply. You have to get exactly what they are asking you or what they are requiring you to write. Next thing is more important, that is to brainstorm. If you will have well brainstorming and you will get a lot of ideas about the topic, then definitely you are going to write an awesome essay. And you have to think beyond, so you can think about the different aspects of the topic. You should not have limited thinking. You must think something that can be related to the topic. I mean, you have to discuss some financial, social, political, as well as psychological aspects of the topic. Decide what you think about the topic and which side are you going to take. If there is a topic in which you have to take one or the other side, then you must take only one side, and then you set your direction and write in the same manner. So first is analyze the topic, then brainstorm on it, get the ideas. Now the next thing is to put your ideas into the words. Now you have to fit your ideas in the paragraph. You can write 2 to 3 paragraphs, and in each paragraph they can contain 5 to 6 sentences, and you can write in your topic related vocabulary. This is very important. If you will write an essay with your general vocabulary, you are not going to give a good impression on the examiner. So you must have topic specific or topic related vocabulary. That will be very helpful for you to get a good man in IELTS writing. I will come again and give you a lot more information about IELTS. Stay tuned. I wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.